Hello everyone, I'm Donnie Chan. And there's something wrong of the first review of the number 50th minor trick. So let's do some more explanation. So why the sentence is illegal? Okay, to do something. And through this relative pronoun or WH relative pronoun, it needs an antecedent, okay, and points to nowhere for it to do something. So it's hard to relate this omitted one or ellipsis through this and find this. So it's illegal. And for complex, because for clause for the complex form. Plain complex, because if it's a pronoun, then plain form of the pronoun or accusative form of the pronoun. So it's plain complex. And for this verb, indented, it can take both forms, but semantically. If you use the for complex or if you use the plain complex, their meanings are quite different. So the last one, of the first pair, second pair, okay, the last one, the last verb of the last pair could be anything. So this is a transitive verb of sense type 3. Intransitive verb, adjunct modifying the verb. And this is couple verb, subject, subjective PC, subjective PC, adjective, acting as subjective PC, adjective, acting as subjective PC. Again, intransitive verb, adjunct, modifying the verb. So quite important. Let's do it again. For an auxiliary verb inside a to infinitive, where the to infinitive is acting as the catenative complement for an catenative verb, then the auxiliary verb can be of these three types: perfect have, progressive be, or passive be. And if it's a auxiliary verb inside the catenative complement, and that's the gerund participle form of the catenative verb, then the auxiliary verb can be of these two types: perfect have or passive be. And this one must be ing form for the auxiliary verb. And of course, for to infinitive, the auxiliary verb must be of the plain form or bare form. So for ordinary subject, controlled subject, or argument subject. And this is for raised subject or non-argument subject. So two kinds. Out of the subject's own volition, the subject decides to do this. Catenative auxiliary, catenative verbs, catenative adjectives. Again, for raised subject, catenative auxiliaries, catenative verbs, catenative adjectives. So for catenative adjective, just some of the examples, some sentences. Raised subject and controlled subject, raised subject. So some more sentences. And this one, okay, needs more explanation. Object, extraposed. Okay, so this is the object of sentence type 4. Object objective PC. Adjective acting as objective PC of sense type 4. So if the object is extraposed, then we must use dummy pronoun it, and the real body is here. And in this case, object extraposition, there are three kinds of real bodies: to infinitive, gerund participle, or that golden finite clause. Okay, some other catenative adjectives. So for this sentence, last time I said there are 6 catenative elements. Sorry about that, only 3. And the other 3, let's check. Being afraid. This be is just a lexical verb, right? Couplet verb. C for couplet. And this one have, okay, have the readiness. Again, couplet verb. Have something. So have, lexical verb of transitive verb. This is the have the readiness. Yeah, the object. It's a noun. But this is a catenative noun. Catenative noun. So it can take to infinitive. But this to infinitive, the verb is just, it's not a catenative verb. It's again lexical verb of sense type 3, again, transitive verb. So some example words, catenative nouns. So some sentences. Yep, I like water sport. Yeah, water rafting. Wow, that's exciting. Yep, some more examples for catenative nouns. Okay, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next trick. Big trick number 13. Bye-bye.